Welcome to our channel, where we explore the latest trends and advancements in technology. Today, we will discuss the future of automobiles with technology enhancements in 2030. In this video, we will cover the most significant technology trends that will shape the future of automobiles. Electric vehicles. By 2030, electric vehicles, EVs, will be the norm, and internal combustion engines will become obsolete. With increasing concerns about the environment and reducing carbon emissions, automakers are shifting their focus toward electric cars. We can expect to see electric vehicles with a longer range and faster charging times, making them more practical for everyday use. Autonomous driving. Autonomous vehicles are already on our roads today, but in 2030, we will see fully autonomous vehicles. The development of autonomous driving technology will drastically reduce road accidents caused by human error. The vehicles will use advanced sensors and cameras to navigate the roads, making travel safer and more efficient. Connected cars. The future of automobiles will be highly connected. Cars can communicate with each other, traffic lights, and other road infrastructure. This will enable a more efficient traffic flow, reduce congestion and accidents, and ultimately save time and money. Connected cars will also provide valuable data for cities and governments to improve infrastructure and traffic flow. Augmented reality. In 2030, augmented reality, AR, technology will be integrated into vehicles. AR will provide drivers with real-time information, such as road conditions, speed limits, and weather updates. This information will be displayed on the windshield or a heads-up display, allowing drivers to keep their eyes on the road while receiving important information. Sustainable materials. The future of automobiles will also be environmentally friendly. Automakers will use sustainable materials in vehicle manufacturing, such as recycled plastics, bioplastics, and plant-based materials. This will reduce the carbon footprint of the automotive industry and contribute to a more sustainable future. In conclusion, the future of automobiles with technology enhancements in 2030 is exciting and full of possibilities. With electric vehicles, autonomous driving, connected cars, augmented reality, and sustainable materials, we can expect a safer, more efficient, and environmentally friendly future. We hope you enjoyed this video and learned something new. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. Thank you for watching.